vibrant Mexican market is full of life. Colorful produce is displayed by vendors. Various ingredients for Mexican cuisine are available. The market is a central hub of commerce. The atmosphere is bustling with activity. A chef is preparing a variety of traditional Mexican dishes. The dishes showcase authentic Mexican flavors and ingredients. Traditional cooking techniques are employed in the preparation. The scene highlights the rich culinary heritage of Mexico. Tacos come in diverse forms, each defined by its unique fillings. Toppings add layers of flavor and texture, complementing the core ingredients. Tortillas, whether corn or flour, provide the essential structural base. This variety highlights the taco's adaptability to different tastes. Enchiladas are prepared by filling tortillas with a savory mixture. The filling typically consists of meat, cheese, beans, or vegetables. Filled tortillas are then rolled tightly to enclose the ingredients. Finally, the rolled enchiladas are covered in a flavorful sauce. Mole sauce is a complex blend of spices and ingredients. The preparation involves a detailed process to combine flavors. Each spice contributes to the unique taste profile of the sauce. The ingredients are carefully selected for their aromatic qualities. Proper mixing ensures a harmonious and balanced flavor. Tamales are prepared using a traditional method. The process involves wrapping fillings in corn husks. These wrapped tamales are then steamed. Steaming cooks the filling inside the corn husk. Elotes, or grilled corn, are a popular street food snack. Vendors prepare elotes at stalls, often outdoors. The snack is especially popular during evening hours. Elotes are a common and tasty treat. Guacamole is a popular avocado-based dip originating from Mexico. It is made with fresh ingredients, emphasizing simple preparation. The primary ingredient is ripe avocados mashed to a creamy texture. Other common ingredients include onions, cilantro, and lime juice. Tomatoes and chili peppers are often added for enhanced flavor. The ingredients are combined and mashed, creating a flavorful dip. Salsa is a diverse condiment with many variations. Different types offer a range of flavors. Heat levels also vary significantly. Ingredients contribute to unique profiles. Explore the world of salsa for a taste adventure. Traditional Mexican cuisine emphasizes shared meals and communal dining experiences. Family meals are a central aspect of Mexican culinary culture. Dishes are often designed to be shared among family members. This fosters a sense of togetherness and strengthens family bonds. The act of sharing food is deeply ingrained in Mexican social customs. It reflects the importance of community and connection within Mexican society. Pozole is a traditional Mexican soup, rich in cultural heritage and culinary artistry. It features a flavorful broth, typically made from hominy and meat. The dish is often garnished with a variety of toppings. Common additions include shredded cabbage, onions, lime, and salsa. Chiles rellenos are prepared by stuffing peppers with fillings. The process involves carefully opening and seeding the chiles. Popular fillings include cheese, meat, or vegetable mixtures. The stuffed peppers are then battered and deep-fried until golden brown. Churros are a popular dessert enjoyed worldwide. They are prepared by frying dough until golden brown. The frying process gives them a crispy exterior. After frying, they are typically coated in sugar. This sweet coating enhances their delicious flavor. Traditional Mexican drinks offer a refreshing taste of local culture. Agua fresca is a light, non-alcoholic beverage made from fruits, flowers, or seeds. It's typically blended with water and a sweetener for a hydrating drink. Horchata, another popular choice, is a creamy, rice-based beverage. It's often flavored with cinnamon and vanilla for a sweet and comforting taste. These drinks provide a unique and authentic culinary experience. A vibrant fiesta unfolds, celebrating Mexican culture through food and music. Traditional Mexican cuisine takes center stage, showcasing its cultural importance. Lively music fills the air, enhancing the festive atmosphere of the celebration. People gather to enjoy authentic Mexican dishes, sharing in the cultural experience. The event highlights the deep connection between Mexican culture and its culinary traditions. The celebration fosters a sense of community and appreciation for Mexican heritage. This video showcases the wide variety of dishes in Mexican cuisine. Each dish represents a unique aspect of Mexican culinary traditions. The selection emphasizes the richness and complexity of flavors. From savory to sweet, Mexican cuisine offers a diverse range.